Good morning and Jai Gurudev student. Welcome to our online class. Today we will discuss Unit 2 Numbers and Operations. In this unit we have to discuss these are the points about the Indian system of numbers beyond lakhs means more than lakhs. About international system of numbers, expand notation for large numbers, operation on large numbers to solve word problems using large numbers. Now, the largest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. That is this one 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. And if we add with this number 1, suppose this one 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,990 plus 1, then we will get this one number. That were this in previous number is 8-digit number. Now when we add 1, then it will form a 9-digit number. And this number we read as 10 crores. The place below chart for the first 9 place in our system here shown below. This one crore, lakhs, thousands and ones. These ones we divide 100, ones, 10 and 100 in ones, this one part, and 1,000 and 10,000 in 1,000 part, and lakh and 10 lakhs, this one in lakh part, and crore and 10 crore in this one. That means this one place value table display how many digit? 9 digit. And suppose if it is 1000, this one number, if we place like this way, we read this number as 10 crore. And if we write 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 4, if we put this one number, then this number we read as 24 crores 56 lakhs 78,434. With the place below table, we can easily read the number. And this one is the place value chart. Now, the place value of a digit is 10 times the place value of the next digit on the right. That means this one, the place value is 10 times. That means this one place is 10 times of this right. Means this one, this place value 10 times means 10 ones. This place value 10 times of this one right means 100 place value is 10, 10, 10, 10. And like this say, this one place value 10 times of this place. That means this one 100 place, 1000 means 1000 means 1000. Like this say, 10,000 means 10,000. The right is 1000 and therefore this place value will be 10,000. Similarly, lakhs, this place value 10,000. 1 lakhs means 10,000. And this one place value 10 lakhs. This one place value 10 lakhs. And this one place value, this place value is crore. That's why this place value we can read as 10 crore. That's why here write 110 means 10 ones, 100 means 10 tens, 1000 is equal to 10 1 10,000 is equal to 10,000. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000, and 1 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakh. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs, and 1 10 crore is equal to 10 crores. That's why what happened here? That means this one place value is 10 times of right one place value. Suppose this one place value, 100 place value, 10 times of 10 place value. Similarly, 1000 means 10,000 place value is 10 times of 100 place value. Have you understood this one? Next, reading and writing large number. If large number given, then how to read and how to write. The first comma in the above table has 3 places and is called the ones period. And the next period is 2 places and it is called thousand period. After that, the lakhs period and the places follow the comma period also with 2 places. We use comma to separate the period of place value because we have already got this one. First one comma we have to put before 3 digit here, and then second one comma we have to put this one before 10,000. That means after lakh and before 10,000. Then third one comma we have to put here before lakhs and after crores. And if we put the comma, then we can read the numbers, large number easily, and we can write easily. Now, here some examples are given. Suppose this one example, here how many digit number this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digit number. Now, if it is written like this, say, we can't read it easily. So, we have to put comma. If we put comma like this way, then we can read easily. Now, before 3 digit, first we have to put the comma. Then second one comma before 1000, 10,000. Then before 10 lakhs, this one. Have you understood? Here already told the first comma in the above 3 places table has 3 places is called the ones period, then thousand period, then lakhs period. Okay, that means in this table if we put here comma, this one ones period. If we put here comma, that one thousand period. If we put here comma, then that is lakhs period. Do you understand? If we put like this way comma, if we put here comma, then it is, we can read as 24 crores. Then here if we put comma, then 56 lakhs. If we put here comma, then we have to read 78,000, then 434. If we put the comma, then it will be easy to read and easy to write. So, in this example, before 3 digit, that means if we here we put the ones comma, and again before 2 digit we put this one comma, this one thousand comma, and this one lakhs comma. Have you understood? After the lakhs period, if we put the period, that one comma here, this one comma is ones period, this one comma is known as thousands period, this one comma is known as lakhs period. Have you understood? Now this, if we put the comma, then we can easily read this one number. Now 78, that means 78 crores 89 lakhs then 342. Okay, it will be easy to read and write. Suppose this one example similarly. Now here before 3 digit we put the what, ones comma, then again before 2 digit we put the another comma, then this one comma, 1000 comma, and again before 2 digit we put the this one lakhs comma. Now we can easily read this one number 23 crores 45 lakhs 67,891. Do you understand? When we put the comma, then we can easily read the large number and we can write also. Similarly, in this number, first we put before this one 3 digit 1 comma, then this one 1000 comma, this one lakhs comma. Now we can read this one 1 crore 19 lakhs 98 lakhs 23,456. 1 crore 98 lakhs 23,456. This way, with the help of this one period, ones period, thousand period and lakhs period, we read the number easily. Hope all of you understand. Now place value of a digit. Every digit in a number has two value, face value and place value. Face value means face value is the digit has own value, and place value means the number in which one places are there. That one value is place value. Now place value means face value in place in numeral, means in which place. Suppose with the help of this one example we can explain easily. Find the place value of all the digits in the numeral. This one here, first we write the digit of this number numeral, and face value means in this one digit face value is 4, this one digit face value is 2, like this way. These are the face value, means that one digit own value. Second one face value, then third one column, it is known as place of the digit in numeral. This 4 is in which place? 10 crore place. This one value in which place? Crore place. This one value in which place? 10 lakhs, like this way. After this, the place value digit, we write 4 into 10 crore. This one place, this one face value into place value. 4 into 10 crore, therefore this one. 2 into crore, this one. Okay, this way we can make the place value table of the given number. Do you understand? Now with the help of exercise, again we will discuss this one.